Σας. I am when I saw this flower I start to laugh because this is an Echinopsis. It's different from this Echinopsis. I will write the name of this to see how it's called because I don't remember. But when I got out today, because I knew that it will open the flower, I laughed because it's the same flower with this Echinopsis, but much smaller. And I found it very interesting. To tell you the truth, I expected to be something different, but it's okay, it's very beautiful. It's like the other ones, but in a mini size, if you can say mini size. So guys, this is the flower of this Echinopsis. I don't know if this Echinopsis makes other color flowers. If you know, tell me. Okay, you will see all the progress and the macro shoots. Make happy thoughts, and I will see you very soon. Bye.